Greetings and welcome to this session of the training. So this video training is about autoresponder and scripts. Okay, so if you're watching this video directly from the course page, from Affiliate Beginners course page, then check by the top right, you will see materials there. So that is where you have to see the scripts. Okay, and also you can also download the autoresponder app from there. Please do not download the autoresponder from Google Play Store or from your iStore. Okay, do not download it from there because those ones will be asking you for updates, and when you ask question about it, you may not get a feedback. Okay, so download autoresponder from the material section of this video that you are watching now, if you are watching the video from the course page. But if you got access to this video from maybe from your email task, then you check around the email you received, you will see the autoresponder. You see a button or a link to click on to download the autoresponder, and also a link or button to click on to download the scripts, just to access the scripts, not just to download. Okay, to access the scripts that you're gonna use on your autoresponder settings. All right, so once you are done downloading the autoresponder, you see the app like this. So you can see my screen, the top left, you see that's the autoresponder app there. All right, so once you download it, it will appear like this. If you're using iPhone, it doesn't work on iPhone, not me. Okay, autoresponder does not work on iPhones, so it only works on Android phones, especially Samsung phones. Okay, so if you pack some phone somewhere, you can go get Samsung if you need to do affiliate marketing very, very, very well. Okay, but the Android phone you're using is not still bad. Okay, I personally started with Android phone, and I did not use autoresponder or auto contact saver. I did not use all these things for more than 7 months as an affiliate. So they should not limit you to do what you're supposed to do as an affiliate marketer. So if you're using iPhone, it does not mean that you cannot succeed here. Okay, these are just an addition to what you are doing here. Okay, you can still succeed very well without them. Okay, but you are at an advantage if you have Android phone or even Samsung phone, so that you can implement this autoresponder on your WhatsApp. That's called WhatsApp automation. So once you download it, you can just open it. Okay, this is how the app looks like. So this one you can see here are just the ones I've already set up. Okay, these are the rules. They are called rules. All these things are called rules that I've already set up on my own, so they are working perfectly. So once you download yours, so the first thing you will have to do is to click by these 3 lines, top left. Okay, then you go to settings. Then you will see this choose WhatsApp version. Okay, so my own is responding to any WhatsApp that I have on my phone, even though I'm using just the normal WhatsApp. Okay, this WhatsApp business, do not use it for your affiliate marketing stuff. Never use WhatsApp business to do anything about your marketing. They will sometime ban you. Okay, so use normal WhatsApp for your affiliate marketing. GB WhatsApp, you can use it in case you want to be copying, in case you have me in contact and you want to be copying my status. In case you want to be copying status, maybe my own status, you can use this GB WhatsApp. Okay, but normally just use normal WhatsApp. Just use normal WhatsApp for your affiliate marketing business. This is an advice, but you can still go against it if you are interested. Okay, if you want, in case you have many WhatsApp on your phone and you want the autoresponder to be responding to all those WhatsApp, maybe you are marketing more than one product, you are selling the ABC course, you are selling the Amazon KDP course, but on different WhatsApp, they can still be responding to that different WhatsApp if you choose to. Okay, but for the purpose of this training, I am leaving my own at the any WhatsApp. Okay, so the normal WhatsApp is the second one, then WhatsApp business is this one, then GB WhatsApp is this one. So WhatsApp business, in case you have any other business you are doing aside affiliate marketing and you want to automate it, then go with WhatsApp business. Okay, if you're selling something like physical product like clothing, shoes, bags, you can go with WhatsApp business. Those ones, WhatsApp may not ban you because you won't be doing a lot of marketing there. But for we in affiliate marketing industry, we do a lot of marketing that if you use WhatsApp business, they will ban you. Okay, so and we proceed. So after you have selected that, just come down. There's nothing else. You should not touch any other settings here. Just leave them as they are. Then the other thing is you have to note is the settings for this autoresponder. The necessary settings that are contained that you should be noting there. Okay, the first one here is this switch by the top. Okay, this switch by the top, this green switch. If I turn it off, that means my autoresponder will be off. If I turn it on, it means that it will be on. Okay, so always make sure that your own is turned on. Then we look at that message icon by this just after the switch. You click on it. This is where you test your rules to know if they are working. Okay, so let's assume you have set up something like hello and you want to check if your hello is working. Just come here. You can see mine just responded hi. It means that when somebody sends you something like this on WhatsApp, it will also respond to the person. You understand? It will also respond to the person. If you say something like hi, to say hi. If you say saved, it will respond to the person. Okay? So if you say just anything that you set up on your autoresponder, it will just be responding to people. So once that it is responding here on your autoresponder app, it means that it should be responding there on your WhatsApp. But if it is not responding here, it will not be responding there. Okay, so the next settings to be doing here, in case your autoresponder is maybe not responding on your WhatsApp, you have made sure that your switch here is working perfectly, that it is turned on. So another one is for you to click on this three dots by the top right. Then you click on doesn't work. Okay, then here you see these settings here. They say step 1 to restart autoresponder, switch the notification access off, then on again. Okay, so let's go to settings. You click on these settings. Okay, you can see this notification access here for autoresponder. So you have to, in case your own is maybe not responding as it is, if you're using Android phone that is not Samsung, it means that your own will be fluctuating. It will not be stable every time. So what you should be doing is to come in here steady and switching it off, turn off, then switch it on back, allow. Just like just this stuff, okay, it will now be active again. So you can go back. You can see this step 1. Okay, then step 2 says disable the battery optimization, remove background restrictions, and enable the automatic start for autoresponder in the settings of your device. Okay, so this step 2, it just means that you can just come to just locate your app. This is your autoresponder app here. Okay, click and hold on it. Then you see this info by the top right, this icon by the top right. You click on it, then it will open the app settings. Okay, if you know any other way to come here to navigate to this particular app settings on your device, then you do. All right, so just come here. You see battery here. You see battery. Click on it. Then do not restrict it. Do not restrict it. Just put it as optimized, or even most times just leave it as unrestricted. Okay, in case your own is maybe is fluctuating on a steady, leave your own at unrestricted. Okay, so once you are done with this one, okay, that's just what they ask us to do here. Okay, that's the instruction they ask us to do here, to remove background restrictions. Okay, let's check if our background restriction, you can see anything like that here. Okay, permission, storage is not here. So, but the most important thing here is the battery optimization. Make sure it is not restricted. Okay, make sure it is not restricted. So that is it. So once you are done with this one, if you see anything like background restriction on your own app here, on your own app settings for this phone, for this app, then you change it. Okay, so once we are done with this one, we check the step 3. Step 3 says please make sure that a notification of WhatsApp is shown in the status bar of your device, because autoresponder needs it to answer your messages. Okay, so make sure that your WhatsApp is receiving notification. All right, so you can see my own WhatsApp notification is up there. You can see that WhatsApp icon on just beside my time. Okay, so it means that my own notification is on. So you have to also confirm if your own WhatsApp notification is on. Okay, So you can come to this your WhatsApp settings here, and then you confirm from this your notification here. You can see my own is on silent. It does not mean that it is off. It's just silent is. Okay, I don't used to receive all this noise notification on my WhatsApp because of the many messages. Okay, so that is the next thing to check. So once you are done with that, you can now check the step 4. Begin by creating simple rules for testing. Okay, so you have to begin by creating simple rules. Like, okay, for you to now start creating a rule, this plus button by the down right is where to begin. So you click on it, and then this is how to check the rule, to create a rule. So should be answered is something like what will I use now? I have used how are you before. Okay, how is your family? Okay, let's use how is your family. Okay, I will leave it at exact match so that when somebody asks you how is your family exactly, this thing will respond to the person. Okay, then should be sent is what you now send to the person for asking you this question. So received message is the message you are receiving. Why should be sent is the reply message, the message you are replying to that message. So you can say we are fine. Thank you. Okay, then once you are done with this, you click on this check button down right. Then so let us check what you just did. You can see it here appearing down here. So let's check it by clicking on this message by the top after the switch. Okay, so I will ask how is the family. How is your family? I don't know, I've forgotten what I used though. How is your family? Okay, so we are fine, thank you. You can see how is the family did not respond because we put it at exact match, that only when we receive a question like how is your family, that is when this stuff will respond. So if you want it to respond to how is the family, then we can put it to similarity match here. You can see this similarity match, then we check it. Then let's check how is the family. Okay, you can see it is now responding because it is similar to how is your family. How is the family? They are similar. You understand? So as you are creating your own rules, you know what to be using there. You understand? So now let's go to where we are here on how to create your script, how to get and put your script here. So I will be deleting this how is your family. So to delete, I'll just swipe it to the left. If I want it to still remain here but not active, I'll just click on this green button here so it can turn red. Okay, so it is now red. You understand? So but I'll have to delete it entirely. I don't need it. Okay, so now to get our scripts pasted here, so I have already asked you to check by the material section of this video that you're watching. From the course page, you will see the materials. So you have access to the materials and they will be here. So these are the materials. You have access to it yourself. Do you understand? So if you're watching this video from YouTube directly, then check around your email. You should see the materials. Check around your email. You should see the materials there. I will drop it there. And also if you're watching from the course page, you check by the material section of the video that you're watching. Just by the top right, you see materials. Click on it, you will see the scripts and also the Autoresponder app to download. So once you are here, you can see the script. These are for the ABC promotion. In case you want to promote the ABC, that is the support I'm providing for this particular tutorial. Okay, so if you are promoting any other product, you can still use the same idea of this one to create your own marketing script. Okay, but I won't be able to give you all the scripts to all the products. I will give you the one I know about, which is my course on the affiliate beginners course, in case you want to promote it. Okay, so you can see once they arrive in your WhatsApp, you should send this thing to them, starting from thank you for contacting me. And for them to arrive on your WhatsApp, it means that they will send you something like, hi Stanimat, I am interested in affiliate marketing, my name is, or hi Peter, I'm interested in cryptocurrency, my name is, or hi Amaka, I'm interested in Amazon KDP, my name is. So once they send you something like that, you have to send them a script like this. So this one is for people that will be selling the affiliate beginners course, the ABC. So just copy it. Okay, so just copy this one. Copy from thank you for contacting me down to, copy it down to, once you are done saving it, kindly reply with saved. Then click on copy here. Okay, then you go to your autoresponder. Come to your autoresponder like this, click on this plus button. So it should be answered. That's the received message is hi Peter, I am interested in crypto. My name is, you give space like this. Okay, so you know this thing that they will send to you is your WhatsApp link. Okay, that's WhatsApp link that you have created. You must have learned how to create a WhatsApp link. Okay, that WhatsApp link is saying something like this. So from your website, from your landing page that you have already designed, they will click on the button and this type of message will be dropped on your WhatsApp. Okay, so my name is, this page will come up, then should be sent is that thing that you just copied now. Okay, thank you for contacting me. You can close this space, large spaces here. You can just close them and give one paragraph spacing. Okay, so just close them like this. So you can see you put your name here. You remove this put your name here. I am Peter. Okay, and I will be glad to take you on this training. Okay, so just put your own, just edit it. So blah 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 blah. Then save my contact as, you remove this one as well. Add name, maybe Petero, maybe your nickname or anything you want them to save your name with. Okay, leave it at asterisk as well so that it can be bolded. You know, this asterisk is for bold words. Okay, also on this Peter, this is your main name, Peter. Okay, make sure you put your first and last name here, not just one name, your legal first and last name. Okay, put it there. Then once you are done saving it, kindly reply with saved. Okay, so you can see this one, we have set up this one. So you put it as similarity match, so that when they add their name, it will still respond to them. Because if you leave it like this, it means that it will only respond when they send you, hi Peter, I am interested in crypto, my name is. If they mention their name, it will not respond because it has left the exact match and now onto similarity match. So we have to choose similarity match. Okay, so we are done with this one. So the next thing to do is to click on this save by the down right. This check mark here, we'll check it. Okay, so this one has been saved now. So but I will be pausing it. Okay, let me pause it, let me make it to be inactive. Because I don't need it. So the next one to do now is the save one. So I will go back to my script. This is my script here. You can see after they have saved your number, then send this one to them. So let's copy this one. Thank you for saving my contact. You copy down to, when you are done watching, reply with watched. Okay, we copy down to this place and then copy. Then we go back to the autoresponder. Then click on this plus button again. Then here you type saved because that is the instruction you ask them to do. Okay, so that when they now send this saved, then this one will now respond. Okay, this one will now respond to them. So this video, just leave everything like this. Okay, so this video here, watch the YouTube live webinar here. You can do it like this, or just, our advice, don't send them to my YouTube channel directly. This video here, you can download it. If you download the video, then upload it to your own personal YouTube channel and then send them the link to that your own personal YouTube video. This is my own. Or another way to do it is just for you to drop your affiliate link here, your off-camp affiliate link for the ABC course. Just go and copy it, shorten it, and then you can tell them to watch the video, the YouTube live webinar on this page here. Okay, on this page here, then you drop your link, your affiliate link. Please do not use this video directly there. Either download it and upload to your own YouTube channel and then get the link and drop here, or just send them your affiliate link for the APC course on off-camp. So this video contains blah 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 blah, everything here. Okay, then when you are done, reply with watched. Okay, so when they now reply with watched, so first of all, let us save this one as well. You save it, click on this three, click on this check mark by the down right, you save it. So the next thing I have to do is to create a rule for watched, so that when they reply with watched, something will still drop for them. Okay, so I will pass in this one as well. Let me make it inactive. Then I will go and copy the rule, the script for watched. Okay, when they reply with watched, or after 35 minutes you send the above message to them, send this to them. Okay, so you have to copy this script here. Let me copy this script. Hi, some minutes ago. Copy it down to, this one is somehow long. This is just a follow-up. Okay, this one is a follow-up message. Copy it down to, I wish you success. Okay, copy down to, I wish you success, then copy. Okay, then we go back to your autoresponder, and then we create a rule for watched. We create a rule for watched. So you put in watched here, then you can put watched, you can also put watch, because some of them will reply with watch and not watched, the past tense and the present. Okay, anyone, just put all of them there and say place them with comma. That is for the exact match. Do you understand? Okay, something like that. Then also for that saved, you can also put comma, then put save. That is the present tense. Then here we paste that thing we just copied, that long message. Just paste it here. Okay, so that when they reply with that they have watched the video, whether they have watched it or not, this one will follow up on them. This one will market them. Okay, this one will market them very well, and then they can convert from here. So just paste it like this here. You may not need to edit anything, but if there is a need for you to edit anything, just do. Okay, just do. So when you're done with this one, you click on this check mark again to save it by the down right. We save it. I will make it inactive. Okay, sorry, let me make it inactive. Okay, then when you come to this saved, just let's go back to this saved rule, this rule here, this one. Let's open it. Okay, you can see when you are done watching, reply with watched. Okay, and this video is about 38 minutes. This particular video that we are using currently is about 38 minutes. So I would like you to automatically follow up on them after 35 minutes. Okay, so what do I mean by that? That you should reply, you should send them another message automatically after 35 minutes. So what you should do is to go to Google and search for how many seconds make 35 minutes, or how many seconds are there in 35 minutes. Okay, just go and ask Google. Okay, when you ask Google, then you note how many seconds. It should be 1,000 something or 2,000 something, I don't know. So then you come here, you can see these multiple replies here. Click on this plus button just beside it, this plus button here, under multiple replies. Okay, then should be sent. You still paste that long message that is following up on them after that the same message that we reply when they send watched. That same message should also be here. Okay, this is how my own marketing looks like. My own marketing funnel looks like. Okay, so hi, some minutes ago I sent you a video. So this particular message now we send to them automatically after 35 minutes. So some of them may not reply with watched. Some of them will not reply, will not give you any response after they have watched the video. Some of them will not even watch the video. Okay, but this message will be sent to them automatically, whether they like it or not, after 35 minutes. Do you understand? So then you come here. This is where to put the minutes, that seconds that you just asked Google. So here now, delay in seconds, put it here. So maybe there are 1,500 seconds in 35 minutes. You put that number that you got from Google here. Okay, let's say that's 1,500 seconds that we got. Just put it here. So that is just it. There's no other thing to do here. Okay, then you click on this check mark, this by the down right, to save it. Okay, so that is just it. There's no other thing to do. So then we have to copy the next script. Let's go back to our script. So if they reply with ABC as you asked them to do in the previous script, then you should send this one on how to purchase the affiliate beginners course. Okay, let's copy it. How to purchase the affiliate beginners course. Let's copy it. Copy. Then you go to your autoresponder. Then create a new rule. This plus button. Then ABC. If they reply with ABC, then this one should be sent to them here. Paste. Okay. So this video as well, you can just make your own video on how people can purchase the APC. Just go through it yourself and then make a video on how they can purchase the APC. But remember, do not show password while making your video for YouTube upload. Else YouTube may remove it. Okay, do not show password. So once you are done with this, you can see how to purchase the affiliate beginners course. First of all, watch this video guide to see how to register successfully. You can either make a video or you write something, you write a content, maybe a step-by-step guide on how they can do it. It is left to you. So this stage, it is left to you to either use this particular script or not. You are not compelled to use it. Okay, then follow the below link to pay 10K now. This will expire sooner than you think. Then pay here. So here should be your affiliate link. Remove this one here. Remove it to abeg. Remove it to. Then put your own affiliate link there. Your ABC affiliate link. Put it here. Okay. Then third, after successful payment and you couldn't proceed, reply with paid and drop your payment screenshot. So make sure that they drop before you can respond to them. When they reply with speed, make sure that you see their payment screenshot and then that they reply with paid. Okay, so we are done with starting this one. So we have to click on to save it. Okay, we click on this down button, then I will make it inactive. Okay, then the next rule there is what? Okay, if they reply with paid and they drop their payment screenshot, send them this one. So we copy ABC access guide. So this is how they can access the ABC after they have purchased it. So you also send it to them. So we have copied it. You go back to your Autoresponder app, the plus button, then here paid. Okay, then reply message, you paste it. So this is what you have to send to them. If you confirm, if you are very sure that they have paid for the APC, just check your affiliate dashboard to confirm yes that you got the commission for their purchase. Make sure that you got the commission for their purchase before you can send them this ABC guide. Please, you may not use this one. You may not make this one active, so that people most of them will just reply with paid, just for them to see what's up after payment, just for them to have access to this link, of which you know that they should not have access to it because you yourself paid for it. So you should not give anybody free access. I may not tell you everything now. You should know. Okay. So now, this one now should just be here. Just leave it out in your autoresponder, but it should be inactive. So after you must have saved it. Make it inactive. That is, click on this button I just touched now. This green button. Click on it to make it inactive, and then you can paste it in you can pin it in your touchpad clipboard. Okay, and pin it in your keyboard, or it can just be here, so that you can send it to people that will reply with paid manually. Always send this manually. Don't send it automatically. You can see mine is even in manual. It's even inactive here. My own is even inactive. Okay, so make your own to be inactive as well. I beg. Don't let it send automatically. So this is the final stage to your autoresponder script. Okay, there's no other script to copy here. Okay, so also be informed that this script can be changed anytime. Okay, it can be changed. Things here can be. So don't say that what you are seeing here, and what you are seeing on this video that I'm making now is no more what you can see on the script. Anything that you can see on the script, use it just like that. If you ask any question concerning that, you may not get a feedback. Just use exactly what you can see on the script. Okay, the ideas and the steps here are not changing. What may change is just what you can see on the script. Okay, so whatever you are seeing on the script, use it like that. Nothing spoil. You understand? Nothing spoil. Just use what you can see on the script. And remember,